Yawning. What does yawning mean?
Enough oxygen.
Can just be tired, they just got up from a nap, whatever. It can just, we yawn for those reasons. It can also be a sign of stress. Okay? So if you're seeing a lot of, they've just kind of been hanging out, they haven't just gotten up from a nap, they haven't just finished a hard workout, wherever it is, but you start to see some yawning all of a sudden, something just changed and you start to see a lot of yawning, that very well may be a sign of stress. That dog is having, something's bothering them. Okay, so you want to keep an eye on that. Tongue flicking can be a sign of stress. Just the quick flicking of the tongue out of the mouth or to the nose sometimes can be a sign of stress.
What about hanging?